Hello everybody, welcome back. So a couple of days before I just show you how to get the data from your Google account, and now I have received, like a long time ago, I received the email from Google saying that my data are ready to download. So I will download the data, and I'll show you the type of script I use to extract all the email from these data. So I'll download, it's a big file, so it's already in two files. So I'll download the first one. I'll connect myself. Okay, so it download the first parts. Okay, I'll go here. Okay, in my download, so take out download, so it will take a couple of minutes. So I'll wait because I just want to be sure that I do not download it multiple times. Download 2 of 2. Okay, part 1, part 2. Okay, 5, 9. Okay, so I download 10. Only download. Okay, no, I'll download the other one, part 2. Okay. So it just download both file. Okay, yeah, I probably had this one. It's the old one, but anyway. So it start again to download both file. So we'll wait a bit. Okay, my second download for the takeout is nearly done. So we'll wait still a couple of seconds again. And if I look the content of the first takeout, I have an archive browser that tell you what you have in these files, in these directories, and I have a mail directory with all the mailbox. So what I need to do is I will need to scan all these mailbox and extract email from them. So I'll take the second one, same thing. I'll copy the mailbox over here on a mail. I will rename this thing as a mailbox, inbox, oops, boxes. Okay, so I can delete the first takeout. I can move my inbox to my download directory, and I'll remove this one. Okay, so I got my one directory with all the other directory for mailbox, and I need to run a script to extract all these email. Okay, I already have one script, and I will probably need to modify it. So on twi.world, I will go there, code. So I just start it, and I'm using like a really fast, I have a really powerful computer, and but it will still take some times. And after the script run, I will have another step to sort and filter the data. So I will use because I'm working on a Mac, and I have a Linux command already accessible. So I will a small script, like not a script but a command line, to sort the input file and make extract unique value and move these value to a file. So I will run the script just after the processing is completed. So we'll wait a bit, and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so it's completed. It take basically 26 minutes to extract all the email. If I look about the file, so it create me emails.txt file. So if I do a word count dash number of line, cat email, pipe that in word count that line. So basically I have 1, 2, 3, oh, I have 3 million email, like I send or receive, like basically what I have 3 million time emails. So I need to filter that. So I will sort email. I will pipe it in unique, and I will output to unique emails.txt. Okay, so should not take too long. And if I go and I make a cat unique email word count -l, so I have like 43,000 emails right now. So unique email, so it's better. And I still have like a last script to run just to validate if the website still exists. So I cannot verify the email, like if the email person still exists, but I can verify the host of this email. So that's what I'll do. Okay, so the host verification is now completed, and it take 24 minutes. Okay, so now I'm at 21,000 emails after like manual filtering. I have another step, like I will sort the content in ascending line, and I'll look, because when you have like emails that starts from numbers or special things, like there could have some problem. So here I have like AWS, and that's the final email list I have. And basically this list so I now have my 20,000 emails for my first mailing campaign. I will first send them a mail telling them that hello, I'm Ivan, or we already work together or do things together, and I'm now retired, and I just start a new field of activities, and you will find the information at twile.world. So that's my that's what that's how I start my mailing. And for sure, like I have 20,000 mailings, so I'll show you how to split in these things in multiple files for not work on and try to send 20,000 mails on one day or something like that. It's really impossible. So I'll show you how you could split files and work with some in batch to do that. Okay, so this is the conclusion of my processes to extract email. So I got like the first in the extractor inbox reader, I have a list of emails, and I begin to process these one to validate as I got valid email as on the pattern point of view. I have another valid sorted email that are valid host. So this process verify if the host still exists. And after that, with the valid sorted email, I have also make some like a manual check just to be sure. And the last step is to split this valid sorted email results in bunch of like thousands email per file, because if you import 20,000 mails into any application, they will probably tell you it's not your real email, and you have some problem with these things. So if I run all these scripts just to see what I got. So my first bunch of email, like I got like 3 million emails sent like that I was with an email address that was used for send and receive email. With the first validation, I got 28,000 valid email address. With the last step, I validate the host, if the host still exists. So right now I have 20,000 email that are valid and the host exists. And the last thing I've done, I split these things. So my email now, I have like all these files, and these files contain 1,000 email each. So that means I can use these files one after the other, like one per week or something like that, or one per 2 week, to send and to begin and send email to my customer. As an example, I've used system.io, so I'll show you a bit what I got right now. So on system.io, I've created a campaign. So I basically right now I upload 4,797 email. So I'm still in the process of loading everything. If you look, I've built a campaign for that. So I just my first, like, it's the first contact. I just have one valid. So I just tell them, look, after like a career. So basically that's my first email I send. So I send it to my friends. Like all the email I got, it's emails that a person what I've done business with before, as friend, family, customer, supplier, and all these things. So I just tell them, okay, right now I'm just take my retirement, and I'm starting a new project that is twi.world. And if I'll look in my statistics, okay, so yeah, okay, so it's not, I have 3,884 email send, like an average of open email 25%, average bounce email 25%. So that means 25% of these email are now invalid, because probably the person I sent it do not work at that, lucky at that enterprise yet, still. But the interesting thing is I have no spam yet, so I think it's a good way to begin. And for sure, like I've on my contact list. Oops, sorry. So my contact list, I have like different tags, and I have tags with import. So as soon as I import data, I give them tag imports. So that means if they do not open the email, if they do not click on the email, it will still be on import. So after 2 weeks, like if the contact is in import state for 2 weeks, I will remove it, so giving some place, because I have a maximum of like 5,000 contact with my subscription. So I will remove the one that are still on import and they do not make any interaction with my email, and it will like only give me the like right now. Basically, if I'll look and say filter, like open mail, like I have open mail, I have like 829 contact that have opened my mail. So that means they will be my base for the future campaign. I will start in probably a couple of weeks or months. So that's all. So thank everybody. If you would like us to process and extract your data, you see how I've done it. Like for sure, I will improve my script. Like it's just a matter of like 2-3 hours to improve my script and make everything on one step. That's what I will do soon. So if you ever need to have your all your email extracted, so give me a call. Like you'll have my contact in the bottom. So I'll be able to process that for you. Thanks. Bye bye.